Assalamu alaikum everyone. Uh, from today I will actually teach you PHP. So I'm going to start with PHP installation. To run PHP in our PC, either you use Linux operating system or Windows or Mac, you have to have XAMPP installed in your server. Why? Because PHP is a server-side scripting language. So to run the PHP, we need to install XAMPP. So I have shown you how to install XAMPP in Windows PC and Linux both. So you can actually check my channel playlist where you will find it. Okay, so now I assuming that not assume, okay, I'm assuming that you you know how to install it, and you, let's say, you install it. Okay, so now I will actually show you how you can do this. So first of all, you have to, so I'm in Linux right now. You can see I'm using Linux Mint. So here, from here actually I will go to the the file system here, and then I will go opt, then lamp, then htdocs, because we know in htdocs we have project, right? So if you are in Windows, then you will have to actually go to the drive where actually you have installed it. Let's say you have installed it in C drive, so you have to go to the C drive, then you will find a folder like XAMPP, XAMPP. Here you can see lamp because it's Linux, but for the Windows you will find XAMPP, XAMPP, and then you will find htdocs folder, same. Okay, you just have to go here, and then if you want to actually create multiple project, you can you have to actually create all of them inside htdocs. Okay, so here you can see we have here a project or folder, whatever you say, and there is test PHP. So actually I want to open it in a Sublime Text, code editor. So in this case I'm going to use Sublime Text. Here you can see, and I have already import it in my Sublime Text. What you have to do, you have to open folder and then go to the destination, and then actually you have to add it, or you may actually drag and drop it like this. I have already added, so I will not do this. So here you can see index.php. By default we have a file, PHP file, index.php. Now we'll go to the here you can actually go through directly by cd. Here you can see cd/opt/ let's say I want to go to lamp, right? Here you can see now I am in lamp. If I say ls, so it will actually show me all the list inside it. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to say here sudo, super user do, then /, I will paste it. So right click on it and paste it, press enter. We have to give the password, then press enter. Now our XAMPP will be start. If you're in Windows, you just have to open the XAMPP. It's super easy. You just have to search here XAMPP, and then you will find it. Okay, so now we are in XAMPP. Here you can see, so you just have to start all the server, but at first you have to start Apache server, because you know, the very first we will not actually do any database related work. So we'll not actually, we don't have to start a database also, but I will actually start all of them. So let's just go to the browser. From here we'll actually run the PHP code. Okay, so now we are in Sublime Text, and our server is still starting. Not actually started yet, because it will turn into green. Now it's running. All right, so let's go to the browser, and here if I go localhost / our project name is, I don't know, let's say, so I will press enter, and here I will see all the project. So I have only one project, test PHP. I will click here, and here you can see this is the index file, and here you can see to print something we need to use echo in PHP. But if I say here hello from index, it will actually show here. If I refresh, here you can see hello from index. But if you want to write PHP, you have to use this syntax, and that is like PHP and then question mark angular sign, and you have to write every single thing inside this syntax. Okay, now here if I write echo to actually print something, it will actually show me, show the output. So to show output, we have to write echo, and then we have to say let's say hello from index. Okay, so what is this? I don't want to actually purchase it. So yeah, let's go and refresh, and here you can see it's working. Now let's say I want to declare a variable. So how to declare a variable in PHP? You have to use a sign that is called $sign, and here let's say I want to show here text, let's say. Okay, and here I want to add the text. So here you can see in some other language like C, C++, we have to actually initialize the value, right? Like we have to use the data type, let's say integer, then we have to use int, right? And then a variable name, let's say number. So then we have to give here a value. But in PHP, we have to actually use $sign, and PHP is enough smart. It will actually understand that, okay, the value is string or integer or boolean or some other else. So what you have to do, let's say I will say here hello from index. Okay, I will add it here. So now PHP will understand that, okay, it's a string variable. Okay, so we just have to actually say here text. So to echo variable, we don't have to actually use here quotation. Okay, we just have to mention the variable, and that is text. So we are actually echo here text. So now let's go and refresh here. You can see the same output. And now if I say here $number and then 10, PHP will automatically understand that it's an integer number. If I want to find out the type, I can actually find out it. So I will say I will say actually echo, I will say type of I will say here, let's say $number. If I go here refresh, okay, I forgot to actually, what is the function? Function to get type in PHP. Okay, get type. Okay, get type, not type of, it will be get type. Alright, so now we'll get the type. If I go here refresh, and here you can see integer, I can actually use here a break. So I will say echo break. Alright, go here refresh. Now you can see it's an integer. So the number is integer. PHP will automatically understand that it's integer. Okay, now I want to show the number variable, so we have to echo and then the variable, that is number, and refresh. Now you can see here we will find, what is this? We have to use here semicolon. Now go refresh, and here you can see 10. If I want to use here break, we can actually do this. Go here refresh, and here you can see it's a new line. Now let's say I want to add a text with the variable. So we have two ways to do this, and let's say I will say echo the number is, okay, I will say the number is, I can actually say here, add here number by using $sign to concatenate it, and that is $number. And if I go here, if I refresh here, you can see the number is 10. I want to use here break also. Alright, refresh. Now you can see 10. So we can actually do this. On the other hand, we can do this is we can actually say here echo, and we can say here that the number is, then we can use curly braces here. Okay, and here we will say number. That's it. Now we'll refresh, and here you can see same result, 10. So we can actually print inside double quotation by using curly braces. Okay, so what we have learned, we have learned here how to echo something, how to use how to declare variable, and how to get the type, and then how to show output in two different way. How we can actually show output of string and number together, inside double quotation and outside double quotation. Here you can see. I hope you understand. So that's it for this video. I'm going to create another video, and okay, I maybe I can create multiple videos for PHP. Yeah, that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.